7 Highest Paying Freelance Jobs. 1. Programming and Software Development. Programming jobs, especially software and mobile app development, pays the highest for freelancers. Experienced and skilled freelancers earn from $150 to $1,000 an hour through this skill. 2. Social video marketing. Thanks to booming social media popularity, this skill is in very high demand. You can earn over $150 per hour easily. 3. Web design and development. Great demand for web designers is known to all. This skill will earn you from around $500 to over $5,000 a month. 4. Content marketing writing. Freelance writing is a great booming market. For this you have to be as creative as possible. You can earn as high as $5,000 if you are creative. 5. Graphic design. Infographic design has higher demand these days. Logo design, icon design, and illustrations pay pretty well too. If you look at its top freelancers under the graphic design category, you'll see some freelancers who make up to $85 per hour. 6. Copywriters. These freelancers specialize in writing content for website pages, descriptions for products, services, etc. An experienced freelance copywriter makes around $80 to $250 per hour. 7. Video editors. This market has recently boomed like no other. Thanks to rising opportunities in various social media platforms, you can earn very handsome income if you have good video editing skills.